To use a certain image as the album cover on Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. While you are in the album tabs, long tap the album you like to change its cover. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the bottom right. And then tap change cover image. Next, tap select an image. Select the desired image. If needed, you can adjust the selected area by dragging in or out one of the corners of the selected area. You can also move the selected area by dragging it to make sure it selects the desired area. Now, tap Apply to apply the selected area of the selected image as the cover for the selected album. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.